Right there.
Got him.
Got him?
Got him. Nice.
He followed that one. I saw the target. I saw the target. There you go. It's behind him. See if we can get some more pushed up. Oh my God, what a shot. I saw that out of the corner of my eye. Good shot. Nice shot. Get him? Yeah, it's actually a good one. Look at him.
I think to what type of catfish though.
That's a channel cat.
Show Lisa. That's your fish. Good job.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Well, I'm about to leave.
You're about to leave? You're gonna leave your rod? Bye. Good job, dude.
It's not like crazy.
What do you have? What do you have? It's a seriously another catfish. Oh my gosh.
It's kind of
This one's smaller.
That's funny. All Is right.
it gonna be a real carp? Oh, look at him. He's way out there. Is he a carp or is he catfish? Oh, he's a goodie. Oh. Oh yeah, we're good. He's a goodie. That's a big goldfish. Cage. We're done.
That's cool.
That's a nice one. Oh, we should probably weigh that one. Oh no! Hurry up, Patsy! Move your feet right now. Move your freaking feet. Go get it. Just keep reeling. Oh no! Did he get off? Let's go weigh this big one, huh? Cool. Bye, guys. Watch Cathy shoot him right now. Phew. It's a goodie. Oh, wait. Do we need a net? What'd you get? You got a carp? We're coming.
Looks like a biggie.
Oh, nice, nice. That's a nice first carp of the year, bud. Isn't it, Trig? Woo!
He's too heavy.
Here, you just hold your arms out and I'll put them in your arms.
Get him free and in the wild. Bye. There's been a lot of goodies, huh? Pineapple. Oh, I thank you. Ooh.
That's not like we carp fish out west.
Bye, guy. Careful you don't slip.
These actually grip pretty good.
Bye, guy. Oh, that's awesome. The storms are rolling in. Perfect. Look at him. Bye, guy. The storm is coming.
Daddy's coming your way.
No, we lost him. Is he gonna pull you in? Get him. Be careful, babe.
He's small, but he's feisty.
He's feisty? Tell Alyssa thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. He was feisty. Pretty feisty. That probably took me like a
You
minute.
need me to come down there, babe? All right, Lee, come get a quick video clip with your fish. Is that cool? All right, it's getting a little too stormy out here for Leland, so he's gonna go sit in the car for a little bit.
Yep.
That one actually took it down. Oh! Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. We've been waiting for a catfish.
Yeah, I mean, we can call it a cat.
It eats.
Cool.
There's a fish on it.
Oh, there's a fish on it? Oh, we were just standing here.
That's a good one too. Wear me out walking up and down these rocks. These actually grip pretty good. Oh yeah, it's a carp.
He's gonna need a net.
Hey, your net job's getting better.
Goody.
I hear something running.
Trigger, get it.
Trig, stop, look at my armpit.
Good.
Or is he, no,
He's running.
he's a kitty. Oh no, he got shot before in the head.
Oh,
Catsy.
Catsy.
Catsy shot him probably.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh no.
Yeah, no problem. Woo. Heck yeah.
Nice.
I got you, babe.
nice.
My carp's working.
Dang, look at him.
It's a carp.
Dang. Okay, so hold on for a second. She's gonna grab it for a second, okay? Gotta take a picture with it.
It's getting harder to see.
I won. Dink award.
Dink award.
Here we go. He's not quite as thick like.
Right.
That's a nice one. Perfect.
That's a big one. Need this.